Today I'm showing you how to reset your Android phone without losing any personal data. This resets all settings to default while keeping your apps, photos, and files safe. Let's get started. Why reset settings? Resetting settings is useful when your phone isn't working properly, settings are messed up, or you want to return everything to factory default without losing your personal data. Step 1. Open Settings. Open the Settings app on your Android device. You can find it in your app drawer or by swiping down and tapping the gear icon. Step 2. Navigate to General Management, System, or System and Updates, depending on your device manufacturer. Tap on it. In General Management, scroll down until you see Reset or Reset Options. Tap on it to access reset settings. Step 4. Select Reset All Settings or Reset Settings. This is different from Factory Data Reset. Make sure you select the right one. Tap on Reset All Settings. If you don't see the option, you'll find multiple other options. Step 5. Review what gets reset. A confirmation screen appears explaining what will be reset. For the ones you don't find the Reset All Setting option, you'll see the following options. This includes network settings, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, display settings, sound settings, notification settings, app preferences, accessibility settings. Go through each of them one by one to reset your device if you don't have the Reset All setting. Important, your personal data remains safe. Apps, photos, videos, contacts, messages, and files will not be deleted. Step 6. Confirm Reset. Read the information carefully to confirm you're not doing a factory reset. If you're sure, tap Reset Settings at the bottom. Step 7. Enter your security credentials. Your phone may ask you to enter your PIN, password, or pattern to confirm the reset. Enter your security credentials. Step 8. Confirm Final Decision. A final confirmation pop-up appears. Tap Reset or Reset Settings again to proceed. Step 9. Wait for reset. Your phone will now reset all settings. This takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Your phone may restart automatically during this process. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Android phone settings without losing any personal data. Your phone is now back to default settings while keeping all your important files safe.